This video demonstrates a typical ConTech RN2 2-inch trimless downlight new construction installation. Please note, the RN2A 2-inch trimless adjustable version installs similarly to the following installation, with some variation. When installing an RN2A 2-inch trimless adjustable, please refer to the installation instructions to verify specific procedures and specifications. These are the components required for this installation: mounting frame, alignment guide, RN2 housing, trimless reflector, mud frame, and 3 self-tapping screws. Start by turning power off at the service box and run wiring to the installation site. Install the new construction mounting frame. Extend the bar hangers to fit between the joists, and position the fixture by hammering the 4 nails on the bars into the joists. The hangers should be level with the bottom of the joists. Once the gypsum board is in place, an oversized aperture opening will be required. Locate the aperture in the mounting frame. Using a plunge-type cutting tool, plunge it through the gypsum and cut to the aperture edge of the mounting frame. Now that the aperture size and location has been determined, the hole needs to be widened to accommodate the mud frame. Widen the hole in the gypsum to 3 3/4 inches. Cut equal amounts around the existing aperture hole. Remove the remaining gypsum material. If the hole is slightly larger, that's okay. The mud frame will cover it. The mud frame has a shallow lip, which must face the room side when installed. It has a deeper lip on the back. Pre-fit the mud frame into the hole, making sure it fits properly. Alignment is important to a proper installation. To help align the mud frame with the housing, use the alignment guide provided. Some drywall mud can be placed under the mud frame to help hold it in place and for proper adhesion to the ceiling. Once the mud frame is in place, fasten it to the ceiling and mounting frame using the provided self-tapping screws. With the mud frame secured, joint compound and paint can be applied. Make sure the inner groove in the mud frame is clear from excess joint compound and paint. Locate the flexible conduit in the ceiling. Make the electrical connections per the installation instruction sheet and local codes. Insert the housing through the aperture until it snaps firmly into the mud frame. Place the trim into the housing and press firmly until it is flush with the ceiling. Restore power at the service box and turn the fixture on. Installation is now complete.